Hello everyone. Today I am going to test the audio of the Canon G7x Mark II and the GoPro Hero7 with the mic adapter and a Rode microphone attached to it. How does this audio compare to the Canon G7x Mark II? But let's go outside and test out the audio of this Canon G7x Mark II. And then later we'll compare it to the audio of the GoPro Hero7 with the mic adapter and a Rode microphone on it. I'm outside, a little bit of wind, not too bad, a little bit of traffic off in the distance, and this is the audio when I am outside using the Canon G7x Mark II. How does that sound to you? Let me know in the comments below. Let's see what it looks like when I take a look at this tree behind, and I'm standing behind the camera talking. Just taking a look at the maple tree that I have back here. How does that audio sound? How does this audio sound? A little bit of wind. You can hear some type of construction or something off in the background. Not the best for doing an audio test. Let's take a look at the maple tree again, see what it sounds like when I'm standing behind. How does that sound when I'm behind the microphone? Behind the camera, taking a look at the old maple tree. I didn't pick the ideal time, I guess. In the backyard. Let me interrupt my editing of the comparison between the GoPro Hero7 Black with the mic adapter and the Canon G7x Mark II. After reviewing some of the footage, I realized that I'm going to stick with the Canon G7x Mark II for most of my vlogging and use the GoPro Hero7 Black for my B-roll and some of the other shots that I take. Didn't really like the Rode mic bouncing down in front of the lens of the GoPro, so I think I'm going to stick with my current setup of Canon G7x Mark II and then the GoPro for everything else. By the way, I'm shooting this using the DJI Osmo Pocket. How does this audio sound? But that's for another video. Thanks again for watching. Hope you'll subscribe to this channel, and I hope you'll give this video a like. Thank you again. See you in the next video.